Hey, greetings again. Let's get your portable office, your bag, in shape. Now, if you're worth your salt, you've already cleaned it out, cleaned it up, and you knocked off some of the road grime. If you didn't get it all, we're going to talk about that. I wasn't insulting you when I said if you're worth your salt. You know where that comes from? Salt, the root word is salary. See, even Roman soldiers were paid in salt as part of their salary. Conditions they lived in then had to have it. Today we still use it. We've got some more road grime on there you want to get off. We're going to use this product. It's called Leather Cleaner. Now you spray this on a clean cloth, not on the leather. Did I mention that you don't spray this directly on the leather? You're going to rub it in circular motion to lift some of the dirt loose, then you're going to wipe it with a clean cloth. Once that's dry, and that may take a little bit of time, we're going to do something else. A little time lapse here. It's dry. Sometimes you're going to see little scratches in the bag like this. Can you see that right there? See that? That's just the normal wear and tear that you're going to get. If you want some of those to go away, there's a couple things you can do. One is you can simply rub it with the oil off of your own skin. You just get a little oil off of your forehead or around your nose and rub a little place like that. Take a look. It just disappears. It's pretty amazing. You should. This is just shoe polish, and it's brown shoe polish. And even though it's brown, look, it's pretty close. And so see this little mark right here? If I could just go in, if I turn it like that and put some of that on my finger and rub it in, and then take my thumb and work it in there, those literally disappear. Personally, a mark like this, I love that mark in a bag. That to me gives the bag character, and that's the way bison leather really should be. Can you see the quality of this leather? I mean, that is just fabulous right there. To me, that's why you own this bag. Well, you really own it to carry stuff in it, but okay. This is a good leather conditioner. I'm going to use a clean cloth for this also. And in fact, I'm going to start right here on the back shoulder just so you can see what's happening. I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to rub it in a circular motion just like this. You're probably going to see it start to shine. Water protection to your bag also. However, buffalo and cows, they never worry about being in the rain. This will add a good layer of protection. And it just looks nicer if you do that. Do that over the entire bag, and then once it's dry, you're going to just give it a good buff. All right, so what are you going to put back in here? I've got my laptop or a tablet. I keep a small hard drive in there at all times for a little backup. I've got my journal. I've got my watercolor Moleskine journal. I like that. I've got my favorite pen in my pocket, but I keep some backups in the bag. And I keep an Altoid box with a thumb drive. I keep an Altoid box with watercolors. I've got my watercolor brushes. I've got some note cards. This is a time where you stay in touch with people, contact them, they need it. And I keep a jaw harp or a mouth harp because, you know, you need to just keep everybody around you awake. So, be creative in what you put in there. Buckle it up and head to your next office. When in this case, this bag is your office. Just go downstairs and make a cup of tea and set up at the dining room table. See you next time. Hey, thanks for keeping up with Buffalo Jackson in these videos. Let us know what creative things you put in your bag.